Carving a pumpkin is a time-honored Halloween tradition, but if you're looking to take your jack-o'-lanterns to the next level, using the right tools can make all the difference. Our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits are the ideal choice for carvers who want to add truly intricate eye details, transforming ordinary pumpkins into works of art. These bits are crafted from high-quality carbide, ensuring durability, sharpness, and precision with every use. Let's explore how you can use a fine-pointed carbide burr to carve out detailed pupils or even delicate eyelashes, bringing your pumpkin's eyes to life. Begin by sketching the eye details you want to create onto the pumpkin's surface using a marker or pencil. This gives you a clear guide to follow and helps prevent mistakes. Once your design is in place, it's time to select the right carbide burr. For the most intricate work, especially around the eyes, a fine-pointed burr is recommended. The narrow tip allows you to carve with incredible accuracy, making it possible to tackle the smallest features, like the curve of a pupil or the wispy lines of an eyelash. Secure your pumpkin on a stable surface to prevent any movement while you're working. Attach the fine-pointed carbide burr to your die grinder, making sure it's tightly fastened. Start the die grinder at a moderate speed. The key here is control, not speed. Let the sharpness of the carbide do the work for you. Gently touch the tip of the burr to the pumpkin's surface, following the outline of the pupil. Use light, consistent pressure and small, controlled motions. Because our carbide burrs are engineered for precision, they glide smoothly through the pumpkin's flesh, allowing you to carve crisp, clean lines without tearing or dragging. To create the illusion of depth within the eyes, use the carbide burr to carefully remove thin layers of pumpkin flesh. Varying the depth and width of your cuts helps to shape the pupils and add highlights or shadows, making the eyes look almost lifelike. For eyelashes, switch to the very tip of the fine-pointed burr. Hold the die grinder at a slight angle and use quick, gentle strokes to carve thin, curved lines radiating out from the edge of each eye. The durability and sharpness of our USA-made carbide burrs mean you can achieve these delicate details without the burr dulling or chipping, even after extended use. Take your time as you work, stepping back periodically to check your progress. The beauty of using a die grinder with a carbide burr is that you have unmatched control, giving you the confidence to add more complexity to your design. Whether you want eyes that sparkle with mischievous intent, or a gaze that's hauntingly realistic, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Once you're satisfied with your intricate eye details, you can use other shapes and sizes of our carbide burrs to add finishing touches to the rest of your pumpkin. But it's those expressive eyes, carved with the precision of our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits, that will really capture everyone's attention on Halloween night. With the right tools and a little patience, you'll impress your friends, neighbors, and trick-or-treaters alike. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more creative ideas for using our high-quality carbide burr tools, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love hearing from our community, so be sure to leave your Halloween pumpkin carving tips, stories, or questions in the comments below. Happy carving, and have a spooktacular Halloween!